Everyone wants to look their best while enjoying summer fun. Regardless of whether you're a beach, pool, or lake lover, you'll want to have a fabulous summer look. However, with the fun of the warm weather comes harmful UV rays. A beach hat is a great way to make a fashion statement while protecting yourself against the sun. There are many products available to choose from at Best Beach Hat, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best beach hats from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Furtic Women's Beach Sun Straw Hat. When it comes to the best beach hat for women, this one is always at the top of the list. The Furtic Women's Beach Sun Straw Hat is fashionable, functional, and can easily be folded and stored in your beach bag. It offers high UV UPF protection and has a full brim. There's Velcro inside of the hat that allows you to adjust the fit to your head, and there's a chin strap to keep it secure. The hat comes in multiple colors and 2 sizes. The medium works for women with head circumferences between 21.8–22.4 inches, and the large works for head circumferences between 22.4–23 inches. To look great while staying protected, check out the Furtic Women's Beach Sun Straw Hat. Number 2. Lansum Women White Brim Stratford or Beach Sun Hat. The Lansum Women White Brim Stratford or Beach Sun Hat comes in 40 different design options, ensuring you look your best. It's made of 90% paper straw and 10% polyester. It was designed to be a comfortable and breathable straw hat for the beach. The brim measures 2.9 inches, and the circumference is 22.5 inches. The hat is adjustable thanks to an interior robe. It offers UPF 50 protection, and has a unique crown shape. The durability and roll-up design make it easy for you to pack in your bag when you're on the go. If you're going to be enjoying the summer sun, consider bringing along the Lansum Women White Brim Stratford or Beach Sun Hat. Number 3. Islanders Women's Ultra Braid Algebra Visor. The Islanders Women's Ultra Braid Algebra Visor is ideal for those on the go. It's durable and easily rolls up and packs away. While it doesn't cover the top of your head, it offers 50+ UPF protection, so it partners well with your biodegradable sunscreen to optimize protection. It has a pull-on Velcro closure, making it fit most head sizes. This hat works well if you're sunbathing, but will still stay secure if you decide to play in the water. For a good quality hat that won't get damaged when you wash your packet, the Islanders Women's Ultra Braid Algebra Visor might be the best women's beach hat for you. Number 4. Linicas Unisex Sun Hat with Neck Flap. This white brim sun hat not only offers 50+ UPF protection, which can block 98% of UV rays, but it also includes a neck flap to keep your neck and ears protected. The Linicas Unisex Sun Hat is made of a lightweight polyester that's quick drying. The material is also foldable so you can easily store it in your carry-on bag, and it's resistant to water and stains. The side panels are made of a breathable mesh to promote ventilation. There's a chin strap and adjustable back band to help customize the fit. The Linicas Unisex Sun Hat with Neck Flap is a functional hat that comes in 4 different colors and will accompany you well anywhere from the beach to the garden. Number 5. CC Women's Paper Weaved Embroidered Quote Beach Hat. The CC Women's Paper Weaved Embroidered Quote Beach Hat is the perfect option for those who want to add a little attitude or humor to their hat. You can choose from more than 50 fun phrases like talk to the sand and aloha beaches. The hat itself has a 3.75-inch brim, and the adjustable drawstring keeps it on your head on windy days. Also included is an internal sweatband to keep you cool. The hat is crushable and packable so you can easily travel the world with it. If you're looking for a fun beach hat, this is the one for you. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.